Next up in our video series of our bath bomb mold demos, we're going to be doing our Christmas tree. Just printed that off. This is up on the site already. So this consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger. Okay, so take your bottom plate, stick it on the bottom, and your shell goes on the top. And just start filling. I usually just kind of hover above the mold and let it fall. I'm breaking it up with my hand as I'm letting it fall. If you see any points on your molds that you think might be a stress point and it might be a breaking point for you, just take your finger and give it a little push down wherever it is that you think there's going to be a stress point for you. Okay, so now we're going to take the top part. I really have to fix this light ring. This is bugging me with this glare. Anyways, plunger, upside down on top of the mold, and now we're going to give it some presses, and we're going to turn. Every time we give a little push, we're going to turn. All right, go ahead, take your spoon and give some taps around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Now the top plunger has the design on it, so if you guys wanted to bang a little bit more to make sure that that mixture kind of loosens up and doesn't adhere to the mold, go ahead and do that. Turn it over and give some taps on the bottom plate. All right, now we're going to come straight up and off with our bottom plate. So that side is plain, no design. Okay, so now we're going to take our fingers underneath and we're going to push up and remove that shell. Cardboard on the top, turn it over. And we're going to lift straight up and off. Let me turn it this way, it's a little less awkward for me. Okay, straight up and off with our plunger. Okay, and there's our beautiful Christmas tree. You can go ahead and paint that any way you'd like. I like the design on this one, that's cute. And that's going to do it for this video. If you guys would like to purchase this or any of the other molds that we offer, you can find them on soap-chef.com.